Hey guys, it's me again. This is a YouTube video on how to thread the 355 machine. Okay, earlier I tried to thread it. You go through there. I go around here. Catch that wire there. Okay. I gotta raise my little thingy up. Now, this is where I messed up earlier. On your newer machines, you go like this, and it catches on something up there. On this one, you do not do that. And I didn't realize it. I'm trying to get the threads through that hole there. So I'm going to go through that hole. I couldn't figure out what my bobbin thread wasn't picking up, and that's what it was. So behind that, you go behind that, and you got to catch that thingy there. Okay, now when you thread it through the needle, you go this way. Okay, here, come hold this real quick. And it goes through like that. Okay, now somebody said that they wanted to see this thing sewing, but when you sew, and something else I figured out is I couldn't get my lever my foot to come up. See, it's doing it to me now too. Okay, if this screw isn't the correct tightness, that will keep that foot from going up and down. I'm not sure why it. Okay, and when you push on the pedal, so it's just like that. Okay, now, but you want to see what it does when you push on the pedal. I was asked about that. Why is that thing doing that? But anyway, when you push on the pedal, you're gonna, if you push up here, it does nothing. If you push over here, it does nothing. If you push right here on this lower knob, right here by my toe, that's what operates the machine. Just like that. Like, comment below, ask any questions that you got. I am still subscribed to my channel. Later, guys.